Hi friends, welcome back to my channel for another Sadie Stickers mystery collection reveal. Today we have the May collection, and do y'all see these vellums? It's a little bit different and I am so here for it. So these vellums do come with the decorative collection. So if you're subscribed to the decorative, you would get these, and they always give us kind of like a little sneak peek of what we're gonna see in the kit. So here's our first one. It's a really like light background with some florals. And then this one, Showstopper, it's like a little galaxy kind of looking, I don't know, alcohol inkish. It's gorgeous and it looks like it's like sparkling. I keep moving it like it is, but it's not. And then we have our two collections. So I have the decorative and the weekly. I've already taken them out of the plastic to make our lives easier. So let me share with you the decorative first this time. We'll switch it up. I do get my decorative on washi paper. So if you want, you can get it on premium, but because mine's on washi, I just need something to like show you because you can't see the colors as well that way. Okay, I probably say that every video. I'm sorry if it's repetitive. All right, these are the flowers. So we've got some really pretty dusty purples and then some darker purples, and then these kind of like white cream ones with the dark center that feel very moody. And then we have the bouquets, and we've got some silver like sprinkle foil on here. Hopefully that's picking up. And then we have our elements. So this is kind of like our individual deco pieces. We've got a couple girls here with their lanterns, and then like books, and it's kind of like an evening kind of kit. I don't know, it's giving me like, I want to say apothecary, but it's not apothecary. I don't know what the vibe is that I'm trying to say, but it's like an evening kind of magical feeling kit to me, like an evening garden kit almost. I love the foiling that she chose for these, like these little twinkle things. Those are so pretty. This is our borders page. I'm sorry, not the borders, the edges. It's kind of like the borders, but shorter. So we've got the three like, not edges, I'm sorry. Yeah, they're like edges, 3 edges, and then the corners. We've got 2 corners and then some more florals down the middle. Y'all, I am struggling. I have not filmed in a while, and so I am really struggling. All right, this is our layered page. So we've got some like scenes mixed with foil and florals and different layering elements. Ooh, look at that one. That's so pretty. Oh, and then you've got this fun scene here. And then you've got the little home with the like twinkling stars above. Oh, look at these colors, you guys. This is so pretty. These are the paper strips. So you've got different, oops, sorry, I'm not centered. You've got different patterns in the background here, and these colors, they're not showing up as pretty on camera as they are in person, I promise. I just love all these different like purples and pinks with the green. It's very earthy feeling. These are our days and dates. So we've got all the days of the week, some to-dos, notes, and then the date dots. These are the borders that I misspoke earlier. So we've got a few like smaller ones, and then you've got the 2 long ones. All of that really pretty foiling. Doesn't it just feel magical with like that little star foiling? I don't know, I love that. And then we have the scenes. So we've got some large scenes. We have that giant house. And then I love that swing so much. These are the swatches, the box swatches. So we've got 2 of the bigger floral ones, and then the smaller boxes. This one has the quote, "Let's rest our souls under the stars." See, doesn't it feel like kind of a magical kit? It feels like magical to me. And then these are our swashes. So we've got the 2 longer and 2 shorter of the beautiful floral pattern. And then the last page is the foiled add-on. We have tons of those little like twinkly things. We've got some like washi strips and some dividers of the script. And then you've got a bunch of other scripts here. The music, the stamps, just really fun. That is the decorative collection. So if you're subscribed to the decorative, that is what you would get along with these 2 vellums. And then we have our weekly collection. Oh, come on, don't fall down here. So here is our weekly. Oh, you guys, I'm still like, I haven't planned in a weekly planner in forever, but I'm just still so in love with weekly kit formats. And the boxes, like look how pretty these are. I just really love it. It has the same quote. It's got some of the similar elements that were in the decorative, but in a larger box format. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. And then we've got our boxes where we've got all of the purples and greens. Kind of like a bluish purple in this one with a silver foiling. Page 3 is our layering. So we've got some small deco. We've got all of the like watercolor boxes, grid pages, torn papers. our headers and date covers, and our bottom washi. And then this is our deco page. So we've got some larger deco here. Really large bouquets, which I always love pulling in. Ooh, look at those light bulbs. Those are really pretty. I can't wait to get some of those. We have to buy a ton for my daughter's wedding for the tent for her wedding, because she's getting married outside in my in-laws' backyard. And when we're done, I'm totally using all of those light bulbs, all the string lights in my backyard, because I'm buying them all. Okay, here's our florals. How pretty are these? I'm like trying to hold this so you can see it. Hopefully it's focusing good enough. Those are gorgeous. You've got your 2 long strips and then a bunch of different bouquets and some individual pieces as well. And then, oh, come on, got 2 pages here. This is our journaling page. Look at the colors. Isn't that just so pretty to look at? You've got your dates, you've got some tape pieces, you've got florals, you've got the little like stamps and frame pictures here. This is so pretty. And the tiny little baby florals. And then we have the alcohol ink. These are also on washi. So here's all the different shades and sizes of the alcohol ink. And then lastly, we have the foiled add-on. It is the same add-on, so if you are subscribed to both, you will get 2 add-ons, so you don't have to decide who gets the foil. They can both have the foil in both collections. So that's everything for the May collection. Hope you guys enjoyed the walkthrough of this really pretty collection. I feel like it's a little bit different of a vibe than normal for Sadie stickers, and I think it's a very nice like change up. I love all of her normal stuff too, but I think it's a really fun change to have something that's a little bit like more moody and darker, but still has like the light and airy elements that I feel like kind of like make me think of Sadie stickers, you know? So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Drop me a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are on this collection. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.